Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I just want to share a few little projects that I was able to put together. I'm not fully done with them, but I wanted to go ahead and share them with you guys before the month is out. We have the airplane circles. So if you're into traveling themes, she's got a bunch of travel themed die sets. Make sure you guys check out the website, scrapdivadesigns.com. You can use code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. Now, I didn't grab many of the release for the travel theme ones. I just put some of this lace that I hauled from Amazon, and then it also has these little layering pieces. I gotta cut out some more, but I'm gonna create some embellishments or something with this. But I just wanted to share with you guys. You get the smaller and the bigger size, and then the little airplanes for you to layer up with. And then the next die set is this one. This is Baking Words. And it comes with a lot of sentiments, you guys. Let me go ahead and grab them and share them with you guys. Share with you what they read. Struggling. Struggle bus. So I took some white cardstock and then I used my two favorite Copic markers. I used R81, which is rose pink, and then Moon White, which is BG11. And I just blended them together on the white cardstock. And I used this beautiful pink glitter paper from American Crafts. Guys, it's a huge poster board. I'm going to have to leave the link down below and you can see the measurements. But you get a bunch of it. And it's a beautiful, beautiful darker pink. That's going to stand out. So we have Sugar Crush. By the way, I'm an affiliate with American Crafts, so I will leave the link. And if you use the link, you will get additional 10% off. So even if it's on sale or whatever you grab on American Crafts is on sale, you can get another 10% off. So we have Sugar Crush, Sweet Babe. She's got a lot of baking themes here and there. Baking Treats, and you definitely want to collect them all. Treat Yourself. It's a really beautiful text font. Birthday Sprinkles. I love this one. Then we have Delicious. Baked with Love. Yum. Sugar. And then the last one that we have is Sweet Treat. So you get a total of 10 different sentiments. So really good die set, guys. I know a lot of you guys have a lot of baking themed die sets from her. So you definitely want to get this one to add to your collections. It is, again, a really beautiful font. And I love that you get 10 of them. Okay, so the last die set from the release that I have in my possession is the, of course, covered it up, put the wrong piece. It is called the Takeout Dinner Box. So I gotta fix this in here. But you get a bunch of pieces, guys. You're gonna get 2 of these larger ones, and you're gonna cut them out twice each and put them together. You're gonna get the layering pieces that are stitched, and then you get the layering piece for the handle, which is only on 2 sides. I'll share with you all. And then you also get this cover plate, which will be really fun for birthday themes or party or whatever. And I'm not really sure what this piece is for. I have to see what that piece is about. I didn't use it yet. But this is what the takeout box looks like, guys. And it is huge. It is such a nice size die set. I think this is one of her biggest treat boxes, I want to say. So this is what it looks like. And I'm using the Sunny Days collection by American Crafts, from American Crafts. I use some of that tulle on here. I love the texture that it adds. And this is what it looks like. You can close it with some string, or you can close it with some magnets. I think I'm going to do magnets or Velcro. And you just open it up like this. And it is so roomy, you guys. All right, so I have to finish embellishing this, but again, I just wanted to share these with you all in case you want to place an order and grab them before they are sold out, if they're not already sold out, okay? So I will be back with my final projects all done up. I have a lot that I have to still touch up, And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you grabbed any of the release. Let me know if you grabbed any of these die sets that I shared right now. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.